Thank you for tuning in to the College of Engineering West Campus Development presentation, which will include the site investigation, pavement design, and foundation design. We are Hunt & Sons. My name is James Gorley, and my group members are Angelica Hunt, Jacob Rodriguez, Joseph Swartz, and Stephen Walliam. To start the design process, a geotechnical site investigation was undertaken to better understand the conditions on the site. This investigation included borings and a geophysical method in the form of electrical resistivity imaging. This investigation provided us with valuable information about the conditions on the site, such as type of rock and soil, grain size distribution, and compressive strength. These data points were then used to create multiple subsurface profiles of the site.
A flexible pavement design was performed for a 30-year design life. We started by calculating the total design equivalent single axle loads by using traffic parameters with their corresponding axle weights and equivalency factors. The total ESALs was 2.8 million. We also used a reliability of 80% for all layers and a delta PSI of 2.5. Using PaveExpress design software, a structural number was calculated to about 4 and used to determine the thicknesses of the subbase and surface.
For the next part of the project, we were responsible for designing a concrete bus stop. Based on the parameters of the pavement, we chose to use an 8-inch thick concrete slabs spaced 15 feet apart to compose the bus stop. The reinforcements for these concrete slabs were 1.25-inch diameter dowels, 18 inches in length, spaced 12 inches apart, and 6 inches apart at the corners.
Our next step in design was foundations. Based on the geotechnical site investigation and the soil and rock properties determined by the field and lab testing, micropiles were our best foundation option. We first designed for an upper and lower lateral capacity of 2 and 5 kips. In addition, we designed a column for the West Campus parking structure with 5 micropiles, along with a 36-foot wall section that was 16 micropiles in 2 rows.
With the construction of West Parking Garage actually being completed, our team had the luxury to compare our designs. The design of West Parking Garage consisted of 746 piles, which is more compared to our 5 piles per column and 16 piles per wall section. Other than amount, our team considered pile efficiency by spacing our piles by a 30-inch minimum, and the depth of these piles varies drastically over the site due to karst topography.
Thank you very much for taking the time to listen to our presentation from Hunt & Sons.